Drive it, baby. What's in the trunk there, huh? What you got in your trunk? It's a foreign car. It has the trunk up front. Huh? Yeah. Brrrr. Drive it. Watch out, you're gonna fall. Drive it. There you go. Oh, that's one way to get off of it.